All right, students, I tried to go live on Facebook, but that apparently didn't work. So we're going to do this as another regular video, and hopefully I can upload it tonight. We're talking about the basics of geometry tonight, and geometry has many different parts to it. So we're going to keep it nice and simple, and this is considered plane geometry. There's actually several different types of geometry, but as far as school goes, you don't really have to worry about that until you're becoming in college and different things like that. But I drew an example of a couple lines down here. We have points on it. So a point is simply a little point in space. It is represented by a dot and usually labeled by a letter. For example, this is point A, point B, C, D, E, and F. Sometimes you'll see a little dot in front of the A. That is completely unnecessary. If I say point A, you can just find point A. Now, a line segment is the space between 2 points. So I have the line segment AB. It goes just in between these 2 points. It doesn't include anything outside of them. A line segment is denoted by the AB with a straight line, no arrows. Ray AB is starting at point A and going through point B and continues on forever in that direction. This would be different if I had ray BA. It would be starting here and going forever in this direction. So I cannot reverse these letters and mean the same thing. For the line segment, I can. AB would be the same as BE. Ray AB would not be the same as ray BA. Now, if I'm including it all together, line AB starts and goes forever in both directions. So line AB is going like that forever. So a line, I can also switch it. Line BA would be the exact same thing as line AB. All of the rays and lines will include the line segment because like ray AB includes the line segment, line AB includes the line segment. It's kind of just a higher up version of that. Now we have perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are ones that make a 90-degree angle. So I have line AB is perpendicular to line CE. Tonight, just make a quick comment, see if you understand what other lines are perpendicular. So I currently have line AB is perpendicular to line CE. See if you can tell me which other lines are perpendicular. In parallel lines, the perpendicular lines have the upside down T denoting that they're perpendicular, and notice the line symbols above it. Line CD, I messed up there. Line CE and line DF are perpendicular or parallel. Line CE and line DF are parallel. That means they will never touch. They will both go on forever in that direction, and they'll always stay an equal distance apart from each other. This is denoted by this symbol where it's kind of like two sideways lines, but they're keeping separate, not touching. This is called, like I said, plane geometry. Sometimes the plane is just denoted by the letters, like it's plane A, B, D, E. You kind of just pick 4 random letters. Sometimes it has a little symbol like that before it. Kind of just depends on the math curriculum of which one it does. But these are the very basics of geometry. And so we will discuss this more when we are talking about the quadrilateral types. Have a good evening.